Damn, dude, that's a hot boot, dude. Damn, dude, fast boot.
Find it in ski shops. Next
Find
fall.
out your local ski shops. You go blue first. Make sure it's in ski mode. Blue first pulls over this top one. And then you go orange. Once you're there, you try to push that over the gap there. And then you go booster strap. And what you want to try to do is get the booster strap over the orange so it kind of pulls it tight so it doesn't get loose and fall up or down. And then the last one you go is yellow. Tuck under the walk mechanism. Pull it tight. We're going downhill and having a good time.
The Thor Retzlaff Pro Model.